At Epic Displays, we do sign manufacturing, construction, display systems, banners, laser cutting, plasma cutting, and recently we went into the production of labels and apparel. Initially, when I just started business, all of the money came from what we did from jobs. What came in, we just reinvested in the business. But when we wanted to expand, I approached my bank at Sagicor, where they told me about the DBJ CEF program and how we could take advantage of that.
We have an exceptional relationship with Damion and his team at Epic Displays. They are able to provide any information that you request of them. They are hands-on, know exactly what is happening in the business, and of course that helps make the relationship a lot easier. The DBJCF was very timely for Damion and his company. He was looking to expand. He was looking to access a loan facility in order to grow the business and purchase some machinery. The CEF actually took away the need from him to find any sort of collateral and made the process a lot easier and simple for him. So it really helped him to expand the business.
The pandemic has affected the event side of our business, which is currently non-existent. However, equipment that we bought through the CEF, which is our dye sublimation machine and label printers, we're able to push that side of the business now.
So the competitive edge with our MSME product offerings is that it is tailor-made for each and every business. What happens is that businesses do have different needs, they have different nuances, and of course what we do is try to ensure that whatever sort of solution that we're providing to each business is actually one that fits within the cash flow requirement of the business and one that will work for the business. We have to ensure that the product is aligned with what the goals are of the business.
I would encourage beneficiaries to simply remain focused on growing a business that is in line with your goals and your dreams. I would also say that it is important to maintain your relationship with your financial partners and to also remain committed to your repayment obligations.
I would definitely recommend the CEF to someone else, and I have a friend of mine wanted to expand his business, and whilst in a conversation with him, I told him what Sagicor did for me, and then I put him onto my same banker at Sagicor.
Visit an approved financial institution and ask about the DBJ CEF.